Once upon a time, in the sun-drenched lands of Arabia, there lived a humble woodcutter named Ali Baba. Unlike most, Ali Baba wasn't just any ordinary woodcutter, he was an adventurer at heart, always dreaming of uncovering hidden treasures and ancient secrets. One day, as he was chopping wood deep in the forest, he stumbled upon an unusual parchment glimmering through the dust at his feet. Curiosity piqued, Ali Baba picked up the parchment and unfurled it. To his amazement, it was an ancient prophecy. Ali Baba couldn't resist the call to adventure. He knew he had to find this mystical scimitar, for his homeland had struggled with shadows threatening their way of life for too long. With a sprightly spirit and a determined heart, he set off on his quest. However, little did Ali Baba know that he wasn't alone in his quest. The nefarious Qasim, a man feared and loathed by all, had heard the whispers of the prophecy, too. Qasim sought the scimitar for his own wicked purposes, to spread darkness rather than vanquish it. Their paths first crossed at the base of the mystic Whispering Mountains, where travelers whispered more than the wind. Ali Baba, with his bright eyes and warm smile, was easily liked by those he met, whereas Qasim slinked through the shadows. As they both journeyed toward the Cave of Wonders, they faced many challenges. Ali Baba, with his kind heart, often found help from animals and nomads along the way. Birds guided him over the treacherous valley, and a friendly camel named Zuzu offered him a ride. Qasim, driven by greed, relied on dark tricks and twisted plots. Yet, the more evil he committed, the more obstacles seemed to crop up, as if the land itself resisted his vile ways. Finally, their journeys brought them to the mouth of the Cave of Wonders, its entrance guarded by a giant stone lion that roared with life as they approached. Ali Baba, brave and pure-hearted, stepped forward with the lull of ancient tales in his heart. With each step, the cave seemed to resonate with his resolve and kindness. The lion relented and allowed him inside. Qasim, however, found nothing but resistance. Desperate, he attempted to follow Ali Baba into the cave, but the guardian lion dismissed him. Inside the cave, Ali Baba marveled at the sights, walls glistening with gemstones, rivers of silver trickling down the craggy rocks. And there, at the heart of the cave, lay the golden scimitar, exuding a brilliant light that chased away all shadows.